So now let's see how we can work around with the fill color effect inside of HitFilm. So over here you can see that I have a clip right here, and in order to add in the fill color effect, I'm going to go around under effects right here, and then I'm going to go around under gradients and fill. So once I do that, you can see that fill color is an option. So if I were to go around and click and drag the fill color over here on this particular clip right here, then you can see that this is what you have. It simply fills it out with the color right here. So you can see that it filled it out with white color, and I can go around and change around the blend amount right here according to how I want right here. So now what I can also do is I can go around onto color and select out, let's say, different colors as I like right here, like this one, and press OK. And what happens is that the color is filled out. If I were to go around over here and select blue, let's say, for example, then you got the blue fill color right here. Then you can go around and change around the blend amount according to how you want as well. So that is how you can work around with the fill color effect inside of HitFilm. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe